Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can change Discord banner. So to begin with, open your profile settings page or simply your profile, then start editing your user profile by tapping at the respective category over here or tapping at your profile itself. In here at the top right corner of your account or profile banner, you'll find the edit icon which you want to tap on, and in order to set the custom banner with your custom image or picture, photo, whatever, you'll need to get the Nitro paid Discord subscription. But even if you're at the free Discord version, you can just change color and then save changes. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.